Hey, I'm Kyle from Chaparral Motorsports, and today I'm going to be showing you a new Ray toy in their Extreme Off-Road line of products. This is going to be a Chevy 2500 HD with a CR 250R in the rear. What we're going to do is unbox this and show you just exactly what you get when you order this product. Let's go ahead and slit the tape there real quick. That's going to allow this to kind of fold open so we can get to these twist ties at the bottom. Now, New Ray Toys does a great job at providing very authentic looking pieces. For example, the race replica rigs literally have every decal that's on the original rig. You're gonna notice here that the details that they put into this 2500 Chevy pickup are pretty legit. We have active suspension, front and rear, and the doors are gonna open as well. Really quick, New Ray Toys, if you're watching this, we really need a loading ramp for this motorcycle. So right now, we should probably have a bed that opens up and then a loading ramp that we could then ride this bike up into the bed of the truck. Maybe some tie downs too. That might be a future release. So let's take a second and look at both of these vehicles by themselves. Here is the CR 250R. As you can see right here, we have a nice two-stroke pipe. We have functioning wheels. Suspension on this bike doesn't work, but the front wheel does turn, and the kickstand does go up. So here is this CR 250, boom, kickstand, up and down, front wheel rotates. Pretty cool little toy. Now let's dig into the truck. We have this 2500 HD Chevy. The doors open up on both sides. Allows you to take a peek into the interior. If you can look inside there, the console of this truck is pretty close to what you would see in the actual 2500 HD. We have a nice light bar and winch on the front. We've got active suspension. Check this out. Not quite exactly how the independent front suspension is supposed to work, but pretty close. In the rear, you can see that we have a nice diff cover. Nice functioning rear suspension as well. Again, New Ray Toys. I'd like to see a bed that opens up and a ramp so we can drive the dirt bike in the back. Before we close the doors, fire her up and drive her away. Thank you for taking a quick look at our unboxing and detailed walk around of this Chevy HD 2500 and the CR 250. This is a 1/32 die-cast model available from New Ray Toys. In stock here at Chaparral Motorsports. Please order at chatmoto.com or come into our retail showroom where you can see the entire New Ray line of powersports products available for pickup immediately. If you like what you saw today, give us a thumbs up, and if you want more action like this coming directly to your inbox, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Until next time, and as always, take care and ride safe out there.